About to start these sloppy Joe fries. This child want to try. Of course, my baby want to try some, so I'm gonna try it. So I already got these seasoned fries. I'm gonna try these out. Let me test the grease. Gonna do a whole bag of these. Some luminous garlic. I'm gonna get that out. Look at that butterfly. Isn't that cute? My sister got me this for Christmas. One of the gifts. Isn't that pretty? A whole set. I freaking love it. Y'all know I love me some garlic, huh? And this is in some oil. Ooh, it smells good. Got this house smells good. This could be enough for that. Silver vinegar. Almost poured too much in there. I'm so heavy-handed. Crispy fry. Try to get as much grease off as you can. As much as you can. I like to either, if I don't have my pan, that sheet, that cooling sheet. Chicken and cookies or cakes, you know, the wire sheet. I just use a paper towel. Grease it. I'm just gonna use some ketchup in my oil. Pretty much done. Pretty much done. I'm about to put it in the bowl. And then, yeah. So I'm also making my own pico to go on top. I already got some guacamole. I don't need to make that, but that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna cut up a little piece of red onion, some tomatoes. I got some cilantro, a little seasoning, and that's it. That's all you need. He's messy. He is messy. Alright, I'm gonna do some fries. Listen. Give him enough fries. And this is still hot. It is still hot. Nice, quick and easy dinner. I'm not doing nothing special. Ripping this stuff up. I'm not taking those stems off. Put him a nice amount of spinach on here, which he loves. Alright. And pinko that I just made. Look at that. Look at that. Red, green, onions, tomatoes, cilantro. Put that all on top. Oh, this is really healthy though. I made everything myself. No preservatives or nothing was added. I used avocado oil to saute the peppers and stuff. So that looks good. That looks good. Put some cheese on top. I'm going to put it in a microwave for a minute. Because look at that. I don't think I'm going to put it in a microwave. I think it's just fine like it is. Little cheese on top. Some more onions. Yes. Put him a nice amount right in the center. And some hot sauce. Listen, I know they didn't make theirs like this, but honey, look at that. That looks good. Look at that. Sloppy Joe fries.